The knives from my right to left is the peg leg, the Skeletor, and then the Tonto Light. You'll find the Tonto Light and the peg leg on the Buccaneer series. You're gonna have to go to that tab specifically if you want to buy these individually. And then the Skeletor is under fixed blades, but all of them can be purchased together as a bundle for $99.99, so right under $100. Taking a look at it just real quick, all three blades are made from 440C steel, so no difference in any of that. This is a cool blade design, very dangerous for boxes, pretty sharp right out the box. The sheath that it comes with is a solid Kydex sheath, has good real snap retention, dots, attachment piece here, and so as you can hear, that clicks directly in, and that's pretty secure, but it is not tight enough that it's hard to rip directly out of. So excellent blade. The Tonto Light, once again, is part of the Buccaneer series. Similar setup as far as skeletonized knife, and just as sharp. The one main difference is you get a nylon sheath instead of a Kydex sheath for that, so that is a little bit different. Not much to say here outside of boxes beware. Now, talking about the third one, which is the Skeletor, this is in the fixed blade section. Good solid Kydex sheath, has an area for you to push your thumb to lock this in if you want to draw into a forward grip, but you're probably going to secure this into a ice pick grip like this. Always remember that whenever you handle karambits, it's designed for the ring to go between those two knuckles, just like that, not all the way in. So this is how you lock that, and then you draw that here. And so this is basically how that grip would work. Cool blade. The piece right here does create good manipulation as it starts to rotate back and forth. You can manipulate this back into different grips. The way that that hooks in, the three fingers sit pretty well. You can place your pinky there, in what have you. It does come with the dots attachment piece, and once again, there's a good click that locks in. If it were me, I would take these attachment pieces off, grab a soft belt loop, and just make it a little bit more accessible or easier to carry for concealed carry.